Let's pick it. I got this in chocolate. I'm on my man. Hey, and if I have a second bag of ice, I just my mom, made me, buy you chocolate. I'm gonna take color.
Made you buy me some chocolate because you pulled a prank on me. Is this a prank chocolate that's gonna get me sick or anything? What is it?
It's chocolate.
It doesn't look like. Can you imagine what this looks like? You know what this looks like. 'Cause I'm thinking this is prank number 2.
What was the prank you pulled on you?
This is how you're gonna spend this class period.
Good, maybe that'll make him be quiet. Hey, Lucian, where's your video? Or where's your camera? I should have videoed that.
He did.